Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you this lovely wireless charger. Now I got this from a seller on Amazon and it is a Chinese made wireless charger. It came like this. It's been in my bag for a couple of days, but yeah, it's a good quality sturdy package. It looks like you can get it in red gold. I've got the black version. And yeah, let's give it a try. So if I lift that up to the side, as you can see there's the unit. It's got scratches on it, that's not a good sign. Oh, the scratches are on a sticker, so take that out. Okay, it's got a nice aesthetic look to it. It looks kind of like a smartphone. You could possibly think I was holding a smartphone. So this is a HBorna wireless charger, or HBorna. What does that say? Note QC 2.0 or higher adapter must be used in fast charging mode. I'm not sure what that means, but it's got these lovely feet on there, so it will just stay in place. And then let's look at the rest of the packaging. Okay, so we got a micro USB. We get some kind of weird sticker. It's this is another rubberized sticker, so maybe put it there, or maybe put it underneath. And then a message from HBorna saying, "Much appreciate with your order from HBorna, Amazon." So let's get started. Ignore that. So basically you get this, but it seems to be that you need an actual fast charger to actually charge it fast. So I've got one here which is actually getting really hot now for some reason, and I've got it plugged into a power bank at the moment, charging that up. And what I would have to do is plug this in like that. Technically it's not a wireless charger, and if I take my phone, just put the brightness up a bit and then pop this on top, and nothing happens. And nothing happens. Let's try that without the case. Interesting. So maybe that charger is no good. So let's use the provided cable. Take that cable out. Pop that cable in. Let's give that a try. There's no kind of, oh, there's the indicator. There's an indicator light just there. It's shining red. Don't know what that means. Pop this on. This should actually fast charge, but I'm not sure if my phone is compatible with it. Let's just check my Android settings. I don't know which settings I need. I would have thought it's that. I don't know. Let's give it a try. No. maybe I should read the manual. I shouldn't actually need to, it should just work like that. Maybe give it a second for it to sync or something. And still nothing. That's very interesting. So let's have a look at this then. So you plug it in, place the wireless charger digital device that conforms to the QI standard on the wireless charger, and the indicator lights up at the same time. The light is on and then it goes off again. Ah, it's charging. Finally, it's charging. Okay, so this is quite misleading. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that, but the red light turned into a green flashing light. That means it's charging. So if I look at that now, I'm not seeing anything, so that doesn't make any sense. The icon, oops, the icon is still not showing a charge for the battery. Why isn't this working? Okay, so the other thing I can try is to use the power bank that I've got here, which is the Oki 20,000 milliamp hours charger. So this is the second charger from Oki that I've purchased. It doesn't have the flashlight option, but it's pretty much the same as the previous one I purchased. So if I pop that on there now, turns green, lights lighting. No, it's actually gone down to 88%. This is not charging at all. Okay, so I think I do need to contact the supplier, because all I've got here is a pretty little slab. It might work with that. It might work with the iPhone or something, so you never know. Unfortunately, it does not work with this.
Two hours later.
Hi guys, welcome to this second attempt video at testing out this wireless charger. So this wireless charger is made out of plastic and made out of aluminium. The whole base is aluminium with some nice feet here for grip. Now the other unit I had a small problem with it, so I sent it back. But this particular one, I'm hoping everything will be okay. So if I just show you what comes in the package, you get the actual unit itself, you get a charge cable, some kind of rubber sticker, and the instruction manual. So I'm just going to put this stuff back. And we'll have a look at the unit in more detail. So the cable is actually quite long, which is good. And you have the unit here, which is a metal build, and you put your cable into there, and it will have an LED just there for you. And if you power it on, it will be red, and then when it goes green, it's ready to charge. And I'm going to try that with my phone, so if you just bear with me a moment. So in the instructions it says not to plug it into a fast charger, but this particular Samsung charger is a fast charger, so I'm just going to do it for a short period of time, as I don't have another charger with me. So I'm just going to plug it into the wall there. Oops. And as you can see, the light there is red. So now all that needs to be done is to put my phone on top, and nothing happens. There we go, it's flashing green. I'm not sure if you can see that there. And if I look at the screen, it's not charging. So if I just take it out of the case, it's flashing green and it's not charging. Now it's not charging on my phone. My phone should be compatible, but it's not a QI phone apparently. But I have another phone here, which is the Samsung Galaxy, I'm not sure which one it is, S7. The Galaxy S8. So if we put that here, oh, it's actually charging. Now it's gone orange to show you that it's actually charging to a certain extent. There we go, hold on. There you go. If you can see that, it's kind of orange and it's going green. So when it's green, it will be near its full charge. So there we go. The power icon or the battery icon is showing that there's power going to it for charging, and that's it. You can leave this on top of a table. You can probably even put it underneath the table and it will charge. Will it charge? No, it won't charge like that, but if I put it on top of there, it will. If I put the box on top, it won't charge. So you do have to have the phone directly on top of the unit, and it's actually saying the charge will be 1 hour and 10 minutes until fully charged at 66%. That's not too bad. So you can leave this on next to your bedside table, and then in the morning it will be nice and fully charged for you, and you don't have to fumble around looking for a cable or the cable to plug it in, and you can just quickly grab it without having the need to unplug first. So I'm quite happy with that. Unfortunately it didn't work on my phone, the LG G6, so I need to have a look at that, because it does say that my phone is compatible for QI charging. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.